man.
Oh man, this rice no go do me. I go just do now. Okay, I go first of all now go Baba. Then when I come back from Baba house now, I come eat this rice. Come prepare, go that side where I want go. Oh, I'm a country hard to.
Till you bend low, he no get wahala, he no get tifo.
My son, what you carry come and shine?
Baba, as he dey play, he dey show. As he dey show, he dey play.
Baba, today na the birthday of CEO of J&Y Skin Care. So Baba, you know as he just been a no guy, the street he rough, everywhere hard. I just need one or two from you. Wait, see if I just go there, Banis go there. You know how far now.
Yeah, that's good stuff. I get solution for you.
Hey, thank you, Baba.
Tell this thing rub am for your face.
Okay.
Marry man for my face.
Sorry, oh.
Now you dey scatter ground like tornado. Naija pikin wey sabi groove, he go enter.
Baba, I don't rub am for my face.
If you rub am for your face, no talk to the Richards.
Man, no talk until I reach house.
Yes, my son.
Just like that. Thank you, Baba.
My son, don't forget to keep chair for me. I dey come that birthday.
You still not got that birthday. I go drop your own chair for you. With one bunny.
No problem, my son.
Massage you.
No get wahala, he no get tifo. Now you dey scatter ground like tornado.
Photo.
Chacha.
God have mercy upon us.
No, nah. Who gonna finish my rice? Baba.
Share one day no talk to enter inside I come out.
Sorry, oh.
Baba, if you are you, then eat the last rice where you remember. You know go talk.
Get ready to face your consequences.
Consequences again.